Canva has a really cool feature in the text area where you can add a font combination that are already matched up and they're super cute. If you've not looked at these, go to the text while you're in a project and then you can scroll up and down this list. I'm going to start you at the beginning because there's so many. You can add text box. You can use your magic right to help you create some text. You also may have access to a brand kit. If you have brand kits, this will bring in headings, subheadings, whatever fonts you've got set up in there that you could use. And then down here, I'm going to skip the apps and things. I wanted to show you these font combinations. There are some super cute ones in here that are already set up and ready to use. And look how many there are. They have a lot of different vibes going on, so you can pick something that fits with whatever you're working on. And so I'll pick one here in a minute, and I'll show you how you can put these together, break them apart, called grouping and ungrouping. Let's just do feeling cute. That's a nice one. So when I click on this, you will notice that these font combinations have two parts, or usually two parts. So if I want to double click on that, feeling happy, then I can make adjustment. You'll even be able, let me click away, grab the whole thing, scoot it. You'll see that I can adjust one piece. There, it's letting me match it back up. I can click on this. I could adjust this piece, but it is still grouped as one. Now, up at the top, when I'm clicked anywhere on this, it's offering me the ungroup. So I will ungroup. Now I've got two pieces, but they're still both clicked. So I will click away. Now I can break these apart. I can work with them as individual pieces. I can change how they are layered. All those kind of fun things that I may want to do to customize this. But then if I want to bring them back together, what I would do, I usually use this method. I kind of click out to the edge and drag so that I touch the two pieces or the mini pieces that I want to combine, and then I can get to the group. But I'll show you another way, just because sometimes we got so much stuff on our page that is hard. So click on the first piece, hold Shift, and click on the other piece. Shift. In some programs it's Control, in this program it's Shift. Then I can click Group, bring it back together. What I love about that is now it works as one. I can move it as one. I can resize it as one. And I'm feeling happy. I didn't plan that. That just happened. Have a great day.